Hi, I wanted to do this little video to talk about people that are struggling with time management. If you're struggling and focusing and keeping your day straight and figuring out what you need to do each day, you can break it down and fix that problem. Hi, my name is Bill, and I help people schedule their day with a little app that manages their schedules and reduces the fact of the constant battle they have of time management. This little app does so much more. Let me demonstrate it for you. The app starts out with this picture here. Today it says, for things to improve, for things to get better, you have to get better. For things to change, you have to change. When you change, everything changes for you. That pops up every morning when you open the app. And I think you can, I can click it again and it gives me another one. The beginning is always today, and it gives you the app, or the who quotes it. Now at the bottom down here it says, let's go. And so we're going to go to the first thing, and it talks about gratitude. And gratitude. So it says list 3 things that you're grateful for today. So that's how you start off your day, listing 3 things that you're grateful for today. So I'm grateful for this opportunity to share. My family and friends. And you could go on and on. You could list a bunch of things here, and then you click save, and you can then go over here. It says mark it as complete, and it pops up as complete. Then it tells you to take a few minutes of stretching, increasing your circulation, oxygen flow throughout your body, and that gives you energy to do your other goals. I don't usually do this because I've spent an hour and a half already today at the gym working, so I just usually click through that, but you can stop and stretch. And when it's complete, then click that. Now, meditate and pray. That is a time where you sit and you take time and pray and meditate and just take some quiet time. And again, I've already done that for today, so I'm just going to mark it complete and go on to the next thing. Now, there's a vision board. I put on here a picture of my daughter and another friend who's a very close friend, and their both name is Aaron. So I call these 2 girls my two Aarons. And then I put down some things about that are important. And then this, I've got a picture board that I made on Canvas, a vision board over here, which you could do too, and put that in there. I also put a picture of that's me on the phone, and these are 2 of my friends, and this one friend has passed away, and that's the last time that I spent with him. So I just put that up there to remember that. So that's a vision board to keep you focused on what your purpose is and what to keep going towards. Mark that complete. Then this is affirmations, and I've got listed a bunch of affirmations, and you could type in new ones where you just click this plus sign and you can add in an affirmation. Say, I am always trying to learn new things. And then you can hit save, and it'll pop up there, and you can go over all your affirmations every day. And then when you can mark those, it's complete. And then exercise. Like I said, I've already been to the gym. I've lifted weights and walked for an hour and a half. So I figure I've done that, and I've completed that for today, so I'll mark that complete. Then reading. I actually get up and read a bunch of stuff. Before I read, I do my quiet time meditation. So that is complete. And journaling. Now you can journal, and you can journal this every day. And I don't normally do this, but I mean, I do this, but today I'm going to just zip by it and mark it as complete, but you can mark it and save it, and you can go back over whatever you saved. Then a mantra I've got up here is be inspired. I usually do that, but let's put a new one. Work towards your goals every day. And save that, and that'll pop up and be at the top so you can look at it. Okay, now these are the must-do things today. So, 3 most valuable priorities. Things that I get down to. I have work on my home academy marketing, making a video. I can see I already clicked in. I'm going to save that one. Then I'm going to put down write emails, save that one. And then I'm going to say call Pete, who's a friend of mine. So that's that one. So I've got that. Those are the 3 things I want to do today. Save those. Relationships. I need to talk to my brother. This morning. No, wait a minute. I'm going to change that. Today's my grandson's birthday, so I'm going to say, tell my grandson happy birthday. Save that. Also, we're going to have a little get together later, so save that. For my health, then I'm going to say walk 10,000 steps. Save that. Okay, then I click that. And it had delegate. Let's go back one. Delegate. I usually put NA because I'm retired. I don't have anything to delegate. But if I do, I'm going to do that and save that. And then go on to the... Then they're listed over here along the side. And... you can go through. It has a whole bunch that I've done before, but as you finish them, you can click them off. And then down here, you can take notes and put your notes in here and save those and recall those, and it saves the whole thing. This little app is a little business for me too. It is this costs $10 a month, but when I sell this to other people and they start using it, then I get $8 a month from the $10 that they spend each month. So this is a little business opportunity, but it's also an opportunity to manage my schedule, my time, my exercise, my meditation, all these things. And so I just wanted to share that with you and wish you all the best. So that's all I have for today. If you would like and subscribe to my channel and like my video and leave the comments, I would sure appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a great day.